G'day, Nick from Trackabout here. Today I want to take you on a walkthrough of a Torus RV 21'6" triple bunk caravan. Now this caravan here is a customer's caravan. There's a few optional extras on here that won't be standard on some of your Torus vans, but we'll run through those as we do our walk around. So up the front, standard on all Torus vans, is a Cruisemaster DO35 hitch, and they're sitting on a 150mm fully hot dip galvanised chassis. We've got the Boss stabiliser, jockey wheel and plate, your stone guard in behind that. Split toolboxes up the front. In either side of the toolbox, we have some draw runners here with a fridge slide or a generator slide, whatever that may be. On this front left-hand side of the van, you've also got 12-volt power as well if you were to put a fridge in there. The reason we split the toolboxes up the front is to house the gas bottles in the centre. That brings that little bit of extra weight further back in the caravan and gets rid of some of that ball weight up the front, which is pretty important. Okay, so before we deep dive into what this caravan's all about, I want to show you what they're made from. This is a composite panel. It's a structural aircraft foam sandwiched between some fiberglass panel and then a gel coat on the top of that as well. So your roof and walls are a 30mm thick and your floor is 50mm thick. These panels here, essentially like living in an esky. It's very easy to keep the van nice and cool in summer or keep it nice and warm in the winter. The structure up the roof up the top, it has a 4-degree pitch, north-south and east to west. It creates that dome shape and gives it all your strength. You can actually hop up on top of the caravan and walk around, clean your solar panels and all that sort of thing. So these Torus caravans are a full off-road caravan. They're warranted for full off-road and they're built for full off-road. So as we jump underneath here, we've got your rock sliders around the side. If you've got rough terrain, you're not going to damage the bottom. While we're here, I'll show you, these are an optional extra with Torus. You've got the Boss stabiliser legs. These legs can lift up to 1,800 kilos individually. So if you happen to be travelling around and you get a flat tyre, you can actually lift the side of your van. If you drop the front and rear stabiliser legs down, you can jump underneath and change your tyre, so you don't have to, lay on your back and get under there and change that. 21'6" is a dual axle van. They're independent suspension. You've also got more rock sliders at the rear. As we head around the back, we've got our rear bar that houses a spare wheel, jerry can holders, and the tank for your diesel heater if you were to option that as well. Specific to Trackabout, we've in-house engineered a Max-Trax bracket on the rear. Quick and easy if you were to get into a sticky situation, your Max-Trax are right there, get you out of trouble. So around the opposite side of the van is where we have your external shower, and you've also got your water tank filling points here. Standard on the Torus caravans is a Truma 14 litre gas and 240 hot water system. The batteries are kept external on the vans. We've got our battery box here that's mounted to the side of the chassis. This particular van is fitted with 3 170 amp hour lithium batteries. We can also fit 2 200s, or if you want to go smaller, they come standard with 2 120 AGM batteries. On all your Torus caravans, you've got 2 picnic tables on the on side and 1 on the off side as well. So they're quick and easy drop down, can hold a fair bit of weight there as well. So the other one here, what a lot of people use, they put their TV on here. So this van is fitted with a 3,000 watt inverter. So you've got 12-volt power here. So as far as lighting goes around your Torus van, got up the front here, spotlight up the front. Got another one here over your tunnel boot. Now all these lights around can flick from your amber or to your white, and you've got another 2 under your awning there. So I'll just give you a look at what's inside this tunnel boot. Arguably one of the best outdoor kitchens on the market. We have the Trackabout tunnel boot kitchen. These are designed and manufactured in-house by the team here at Trackabout. We have a Dometic 3-burner gas stove and then the sink as well. So these are set up, jump around the front here. You've got a gas bayonet fitting here, and underneath the tunnel boot door you've got your plug-in for your hot and cold water. You've got a massive outdoor kitchen with plenty of prep space there as well. Now depending on where the view's better, it doesn't have to sit at this right angle. It can come around straight like that. On the front, we have your cutlery drawer. These are all on soft close drawer runners and a bottle opener, of course. Okay, so we'll jump up inside and show you what this 21'6" triple bunk has to offer. Plenty of storage space up the front here in all your Torus caravans. We've got concealed latches in all your overheads and inside your cupboard. We've got hanging space and removable shelves. Inside here down the bottom, we also have 12-volt power as well. Down the side, we have a socks and undies drawer. Great little use of space down there. And there is also plenty of storage under your queen bed here too. Nice big windows in these caravans. So you've got your fly screen there, or your block out blinds just underneath that. Storage space up on top here in your pelmets, good for magazines, hats, and bits and pieces like that. Okay, as we come around to the seating area, You've got more overhead cupboard space there. These tables here, they do move around quite easily, and they also drop down as well and create another bed. A great thing I believe with Torus have done is you Velcro this seat section onto the back. That way you don't have to carry a secondary mattress to be able to create a bed if your kids wanted to bring a friend along or something like that. We'll start over here. We've got your 3 gas and 1 electric cooktop, and just underneath that you've got your mini grill and the microwave down below. So you've got all your drawers here for cutlery and things like that, and a large sink with a draining board as well. And down the end here, a nice slide out little pantry with additional bench space on top. And just behind you in the kitchen here, got fitted nicely the 190 litre Dometic fridge freezer and another overhead cupboard here with plenty of space too. As we said before, this is a triple bunk caravan. So we've got our 3 bunks here with the ladder over to the right hand side. These bunks have their own fans for your keep your kids cool. They also have magazine pouches for books or iPads, and they also have a light down the end with 12-volt power to keep everything charged up. While we're at the end here, more storage space for all your kids' clothes. And then right down the bottom we have the Fresca 3.2 kilo front loader washing machine. I'll just touch it on the bunks as well. They have their own curtain. Each bunk has that, or you can separate the bunk section from the main part of the caravan with another curtain in here as well. As we jump into our ensuite, you'll notice these guys have decided to go with the Nature's Head compost toilet. Standard on the caravans is the Dometic chemical toilet. We've got more storage down below, nice little hand basin and some black features as well. And we've got another skylight here with an exhaust fan as well. One of the most impressive things about Torus caravans is the space in the shower. So again, the way these vans are constructed with the fiberglass walls, we don't need to restrict the space inside the shower holding a shower mold. The floor has a shower mold in there, so it's non-slip. Massive showers in these Torus vans. Okay, so up the front, these guys have selected to go with the Dometic dust reduction system. So what this unit does, it pressurizes the cabin when you hit a certain speed to keep all the dust from entering your van, and pressurizes to push all that out. Just behind that, we've got the new Dometic FreshJet reverse cycle air conditioner. So it works really well and does work off grid if you were to select a 3000 watt inverter. You don't need to keep it running for long. The way the vans are made, it keeps it nice and cool very quickly. So as I mentioned at the start, this is a pretty spec'd up caravan. What it does come with standard is 555 watts of solar on the roof, 2 95 litre freshwater tanks and a 95 litre grey. If you want to know more about the Torus RV range, get in touch with the team at Trackabout. Happy to help you out.